Parent, a little bit of teacher, and a little bit of friend. It gives me immense pleasure by being a part of this celebration. I would like to thank the school for giving us parents a chance to be the volunteer for this day. With no further delay, let's start with our first performance, which is a devotional bhajan brought to us by the grandparent of Navan and Nitya, Mr. Suri Kumar. Can I please ask?
I am singing one bhajans for Devi. Once in a time I will tell you, if you want, you can follow. Otherwise, while going singing. Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. 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 Karuna Sagari Ma, Kalika Palini Ma. Karuna Sagari Ma, Kalika Palini Ma. Jagadodharini Ma, Jagadodharini Ma. Durge Jai Jai Ma, Amba Durge Jai Jai Ma. Second officer. Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. Karuna Sagari Ma, Kalika Palini Ma. Kalika Palini Ma. Jagadodharini Ma, Jagadodharini Ma. Durge Jai Jai Ma, Amba Durge Jai Jai Ma. Durge, Durge, Durge Jai Jai Ma. All of you can.
Lovely, caring grandparents, our respected teachers, and our energetic kids. Myself, Meenu, and my friend Chetna. We are here to narrate a story. चेतना, क्या ये फ्रेम देख के तुम्हें क्या लगता है स्टोरी का नाम क्या होगा?
ये फ्रेम देख के तो लग रहा है ये कोई जंगल की कहानी हो सकती है या जंगल में रहने वाले एनिमल्स की कहानी हो सकती है।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, हम कहानी सुनाते हैं, उसके बाद बच्चों से पूछते हैं ये कहानी का नाम क्या है।
चलो शुरू करते हैं अपनी कहानी। एक बार की बात थी, एक बड़ा जंगल था। उस जंगल में एक हिरन रहता था, उसका नाम था रंगीला। रंगीला बड़ा नेक दिल का था और परोपकारी था। वो जहाँ भी जाता था सबका ख्याल रखता था और उनके स्वास्थ्य का उपचार भी करता था। पर एक दिन ऐसा आया कि रंगीला बीमार हो गया। इतना बीमार हुआ कि उसका बुखार उतरने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा था। वो खुद से ही कुछ जड़ी बूटियां खा ली, पर उसके कोई लाभ नहीं हुआ। ये खबर जंगल में फैलने लगी, पर उसे मिलने कोई नहीं आया। फिर वो उठकर थोड़े आगे चला तो देखा उसके इलाके में 2 हिरन आए हुए थे। वो उसमें उगाई हुई हरी हरी घास खा रहे थे और उसे मुस्कुराते हुए बोलने लगे,
अरे भाई रंगीला, हम तो तुमसे ही मिलने आए थे। अब कैसी है तुम्हारी तबीयत? हमने सुना तुम्हें बहुत बुखार आ गया था और तुम्हें आराम भी नहीं था, इसीलिए तुम्हारा हाल चाल पूछने हम चले आए हैं। अब बताओ रंगीला, कैसी है तुम्हारी तबीयत?
रंगीला ने बोला,
अरे मेरी तबीयत तो अभी भी खराब है। मैंने कुछ औषधि भी खाई, पर कोई आराम नहीं मिला मुझे। मुझे लगता है मुझे कोई अच्छी औषधि खानी पड़ेगी, तब जाके मुझे कुछ आराम मिलेगा। ठीक है रंगीला, अपना ध्यान रखना और अच्छी औषधि खाना। तो हम चलते हैं।
रंगीला उदास होकर अपने अड्डे की ओर चल पड़ा और इधर दोनों हिरन उसने उगाई हुई हरी हरी घास खाते हुए बोलने लगे,
अरे ये जगह तो जितनी सोची थी उससे भी कई सुंदर निकली है। यहाँ पे तो हर जगह हरियाली ही हरियाली है। रंगीला ने बड़ी मेहनत से इस गुलशन को सजाया है। जनाब, अपनी ये तो देखकर मेरा मन और पेट दोनों हरे हरे हो गए हैं। चलो कल फिर आते हैं रंगीला का हाल चाल पूछने और पेट भर के खाने के लिए। हाँ, मैं तो रंगीला की तबीयत से मुझे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है। मैं तो यहाँ मुझे हरी हरी घास खींच लाई है। तो ठीक है, कल फिर आ जाएंगे हम दोनों। ठीक है, तो फिर चलते हैं।
दोनों अपने इलाके के ओर चल पड़े और जाते हुए उनके दोस्तों को रंगीला के इलाके की तारीफ में बोलने लगे,
अरे भाई, क्या सूखी घास खा रहे हो? वहाँ रंगीला के इलाके में जाओ, इतनी हरियाली है, इतने फल फ्रूट है। उस रंगीला का हाल चाल पूछना और पेट भर के खाकर आना। और रंगीला इतना नेक दिल है, पता है कितना, अपनी हाल चाल भी पूछ लेना और उसकी हरी हरी घास खाना, वो कुछ नहीं कहेगा और पेट भर के खाकर आना। तो ठीक है, फिर कल हम सब चलते हैं रंगीला का हाल चाल पूछने।
अगले दिन हिरनों की टोली बन गई और सब रंगीला के हालचाल पूछने उसके इलाके जा पहुँचे। रंगीला ने देखा हिरनों की टोली को और खुश हो गया। उसे लगा कि वो लोग सब उसके हालचाल पूछने आए, पर यहाँ तो कुछ और ही हुआ। सब हरी हरी घास खाने में जुट गए, कोई फल खा रहे थे और रंगीला से तो कोई पूछ भी नहीं रहा था। फिर यह नज़ारा रंगीला देख के उदास होते हुए सोचने लगा,
अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? ये मेरा हाल चाल पूछने आए थे या घास खाने? मेरे पास तो 2 घड़ी भी नहीं बैठे ये लोग। तो ऐसा ही चलता रहा तो मेरे लिए कुछ विशेष खाने के लिए नहीं बचेगा सिवाय सूखी घास के। अब मैं क्या करूं?
थोड़ी देर बाद उधर रंगीला का मित्र मोनू बालू आता है। उसे आने में देर हो जाती है।
अरे मोनू, कितना देर लगा दिया। माफ़ करना दोस्त, मुझे आने में बहुत देर हो गई। मैं तुम्हारे लिए औषधि लाने बहुत दूर गया था, इसीलिए आने में समय लग गया। अब ये औषधि तुम ले लो, तुम्हें इससे आराम मिलेगा। हाँ हाँ मोनू, ये खा लेता हूँ मैं।
रंगीला ने औषधि ली और कुछ समय बाद उसके उसको आराम मिला। फिर 2 दिन तक मोनू भालू उसके साथ ही रुका रहा। 2 दिन के बाद जब रंगीला ठीक हो गया तो वो बाहर आके देखता है उसका इलाका पूरा सूखा हो गया है, ना उधर फल है ना वहाँ पे हरी घास है। यह देख के वो उदास हो जाता है और उसे उदास देख के मोनू भालू बोलता है,
अरे अब ये मोनू, ये क्या हो गया है? यहाँ पे तो कुछ नहीं मेरे खाने के लिए। रंगीला तुम उदास मत हो, हम दोनों मिलकर यहाँ फिर से नया गुलशन सजाएंगे, हरियाली फिर उगाएंगे और हम दोनों मिलकर नया जहां बनाएंगे। सही कहा लोगों ने, तुम मेरे सच्चे मित्र हो। ये लोग तो सब दिखावा करते हैं झूठे मित्र, तुम तो मेरे सच्चे मित्र हो, इसीलिए तुम मेरे साथ हो।
रंगीला ये कहानी का सारांश है कि सच्चा दोस्त देर से ही सही पर हमेशा साथ निभाता है और झूठे दोस्त मन में कपट रख के हमेशा दिखावा करते हैं।
तो बच्चों, आपको पता चला स्टोरी का नाम क्या है? कोई गेस करना चाहोगे? क्या है? सच्चा दोस्त। सच्चा और झूठा दोस्त। थैंक यू।
வயலின் பயிர்தனில் மனையார் பணிதனிலே நிலுவின் ஒளியாலும் குழலின் இசையாலும் நீல கடல் வீசும் அலையாலுமே கலைஞன் சிலையிலும் கவிதை பொருளிலும் வானமாமயிலின் நாடல் அழகிலும் காதலோடு மனிதனின் புலன் காண எல்லாம் இன்பமயம் புவிமே இயற்கையினாலே எழும் எழில் வளம் எல்லாம் இன்பமயம். தேங்க்யூ.
Dum dum da na na de na 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 Ragda dum da 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 dee ra 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 ra. Da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum 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 da na na dee na 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 dum. Da na dee ra na. Ga ma ma ga ba ga sa ni sa. Da na dee ra na. Ga ma ga ba ga sa ni sa. Da na dee ra na. Ga ma ba ga sa ni sa. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead.
Children, how was the performance? So the children are saying they liked it and they wanted to do it once more. Great. That was a very nice performance of a mixture of Western and fusion. So our next event, our next activity is felicitation of one of our students, Asad, who had got centimum in Sanskrit in his 10th. So I would like to
Enjoying? Thank you. Are the grandparents enjoying? Thank you so much. Okay, let's get into the imaginary world with another storytelling by Meena Kumari ji. She's the grandparent of Tashvi and Manvi.
Grandparents' Day, and I think everyone likes the stories, is it? Even the babies to the old, okay? Kids to the grands, everyone likes the story. Yes? Kids like comics, horror, yes, all. But like me, horror, no horror, okay, no horror. Nothing, it's full entertaining, okay? But we grandparents, pakattu vittu kada, aduthu vittu kada, edir vittu kada, very interesting to hear, isn't it? It's very lively stories. Okay, now we are going to listen a story after all one monkey. A monkey, you know, don't behave like a monkey. Monkey mari chuttada, thriyada. Okay, it's like about a monkey. Okay, so our monkey, there's one a beautiful village. There are full of trees everywhere. It's a small village, and people were in harmony, and they were very good cooperating with each other. And in that village, there was a beautiful mango tree. In that mango tree, our hero, who is our hero? Somu the monkey. He was sleeping on the branch of the tree, enjoying. Nobody to tell him, get up, time up for the school, brush, take bath. Nobody. So happy, no, monkeys are. We are only grandparents, parents troubling every day. Get up, brush, go bath, eat, have, or get ready, orders come, orders come. Nothing for this Somu. Somu is enjoying like anything. He was sleeping nicely, taking his nap. He woke up. He saw the tree is filled with mangoes. He found one beautiful, ripe and yellow color. What will you do if you see such a mango? Just pluck it. Bothered, who sees us, who is least bothered? Mango is ours. Just pluck the mango. Started eating. Ah, what a juicy. Ah, full licking here, there, all that. Finished. And he is enjoying with that mango. Finished everything, done. Stomach is filled. No more he can try. Enough for me now. Then he started walking here and there. All in a sudden, oh! What happened? Dear Somu enjoyed the mango. All in a sudden, why is screaming? One small thorn stuck in his tail. Poor is jumping. Oh, it's paining. Poor monkey, what to do? You don't know. Then our one more, Damu Bhaiya, who is a barber in that village. Everyone has to come to him only to do the shaving, cutting hairstyles, whatever is mushroom cut, what cut, everything is only the Damu Bhaiya in that village. So Damu Bhaiya is doing his job. He saw the Damu Bhaiya. Now the right time to go to Damu Bhaiya and take out our horn. He came down. Damu uncle, I'm struggling. Please help me. Yes, what happened? A small thorn stuck in my neck. I am very, very paining for me. Please, will you help me? Sit. I will help you. I'll do it. Then he sat, showing his tail, and he took the knife, slowly removed. But he couldn't remove. He cut the tail. Till the tip he cut. He didn't cut it. Only the tip where he had the thorn stuck. Then he said, relieved by the pain. Thank you, Damu uncle, thank you. But he turned and saw there was a tail down. What did you do, my tail? Where my tail went? You only said to remove the thorn. I removed the thorn. I tell you, where is the tail? No, I don't know. I want my tail back. I don't know. I want my tail back. I told you to remove the thorn, not the tail. You cut my tail. I said, no. Yo, the uncle got struck. What will I do if you ask the tail back? I am not a doctor. I am a barber. And he said, okay, what shall I do? I don't know. You give me something back. You've taken my tail, you give me something back. Then what do you think what the barber can give? No, what he did? Finally, he had his haircut. No, he had a knife. He gave a knife, which I used to cut your tail, to remove your thorn, not to cut your tail, to remove your thorn. Take it this. Then our Somu, he got the knife, something new thing to came in his hands. What he said? Valu poi katti vandhudu dum 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 dum. Valu poi katti vandhudu dum 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 dum. He happily got something new in his hand. He was walking and going and dancing and just roaming. There he walked. One little girl was collecting the twigs. You know the twigs, no? It's falling from the trees, plants. She was collecting the twigs and she took. But the twigs were one big, small, fat, thin. She was unable to bundle them. So what did she? What are you doing, little girl? No, monkey, I took all this, but I am unable to tie them. What shall I do? That's all. Wait, I'll give my knife. Take my knife. You cut them in an equal. Then you tie it up. Thank you, Dam. Then he gave the knife. Little girl cut them in equal pieces and she tied it. She was so happy. You helped me so much. You're such a kind person. Our hero is very kind, no? Said, he's very kind. You helped me so much. Then okay. She bundled and she took her twigs like this. She started walking. Then what she did? Our Damu, what did you know? Where are you walking? You gave me the knife. I cut them in equal pieces. I tied and I'm walking. What? Walking? Where is my knife? Oh, sorry, I finished my work and I forgot. No, I'll give back your knife. Then she gave the knife back. Then this Damu he's a very clever. Said, what is this? I gave you a sharp knife. You're giving such a blunt one? No, I will not agree. You nicely cut your twigs with this knife and you're giving such a blunt. No, I want my sharp knife only. What is this? I am in this place. Where will I find this other knife? Sorry. I don't like this sorry and all. I never like this sorry, thank you word in English. I don't want this sorry. I want my knife back. Then she said, or else give me something else. What she'll give, poor girl? She gave off the twig only. Okay, take this twig and go. Again, he took the twig. He walked with the he lost this knife and he went with the twig. So now, வாலு போய் கத்தி வந்தது டும் 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 டும், கத்தி போய் சுள்ளி வந்தது டும் 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 டும். So now monkey got the other order. He started walking happily, walking, walking, walking. There you find on the way one small hut. Okay, when you are going for a ride or you are going for some trips, you are feeling hungry. So you search for what? Restaurants. Yes, feel like eating. So there was some grand lady preparing dosas. You like dosas? Yes, everyone's favorite food dosa, no? Yes, what all dosas you like? Masala dosa. See, everyone first is a masala dosa. Ghee roast, podi dosa. So this, yes. So now I feel like eating dosa. Yes, yes. Your grandma prepares and gives you, no? Yes? Yes. So this monkey as was walking, that old lady was preparing dough for, she was getting ready to make dosas. She was just, nowadays you have the fashion of eating without smoke, this, that, so many varieties. So there is a place where they only use the earthen parts and where with the fire and sticks used to cook. So this grand lady was doing why, what happened? Ajji, what happened? Why are you coughing? No, these twigs are very wet. It's not catching fire. My customers will come off. What will I do? I don't know. I have my regular customers. Then this, our Damu, kind-hearted fellow. Don't worry, Ajji, I have a twigs. Fresh twigs, you can use them. She gave her twigs. She started and fire started catching and she was making dosas. Shine, shine, all variety dosas. She made nicely, she put because her customers was going to arrive. She's ready with the dosas. By the time all the twigs has got burnt and become ashes. Then said, thank you, so kind of you. Today I can make good money. I made all the dosas. Made all the dosas? Good. Okay. Thank you. What thank you? Give me twigs back. Twigs? Where will she give the twigs? Already she used those twigs. Only she made dosas. It has gone to the ashes. How can I give you twigs back? Mine. I don't know. You ever taken the twigs? Give back the twigs. Ayyo, what a troublesome. Then she said, okay, I don't have anything. I have only dosa with me. Give me the dosas. He took all the dosas. Poor grand lady, nothing. He carried the dosa and he went. Went. Along, she saw one drummer having a drum and he used to bang the drum and make money from that. Whoever watches, they'll give money for it. Okay, but that man was drumming. Dum, dum, dum. What is this? Why, uncle, you are drumming so badly? What to do? No money collection. No, nothing for me. I am so hungry. I have not eaten for 2 to 3 days. I have no energy to bang the drum. Really? Don't worry. I am here. I'll give you dosas. You eat. And just grabbed on the dosa. I started eating. Finished everything. Oh, nice. Finished everything. I enjoyed. Full. Then our the mango, he became happy again. He came back to the mood. Okay, let me enjoy my mangoes. Yes, Damu, back to his place. Yes, it is enjoy, children. Thank you.
मैं आज प्रधान जो स्कूल में 5th क्लास में पढ़ रहा है ग्रांड मदर हूँ। मैं आपको एक अच्छा सा गाना सुनाना चाह रही हूँ। आओ तुम्हें जानते जाए प्यार भरे सपने सजाए छोटा सा बंगला बनाए एक नई दुनिया बसाए हो आओ तुम्हें चाह के ले जाए, प्यार भरे सपने सजाए, छोटा सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए, हो आओ तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाए, और नई गुफाएं का सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए, दूर रहते हैं दूर आसमां पे, मिलके ना बिछड़े कोई वहाँ पे, ऐसा भी एक नगर हो, ऐसा भी एक नगर हो, तो तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाए, प्यार भरे सपने दिखाए, छोटा सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए, हो तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाए। थैंक यू।
बने हैं तो हम क्या करें? सोच लगा के जान बना के बोलना।
Principal Madam, and all the teachers and staff. And my dear brothers and sisters, I thank you all for giving us the importance and making us feel proud by calling us for celebrating the Grandparents' Day with our grandchildren. The performances by the children and the parents were superb and awesome. I have no words to explain that. Aurora International School is special because all the schools give preference to the parents, but this is the only school which also gives importance to the grandparents and make them feel wanted and respected by inviting them for the celebrations every year. Lucky are those who have grandparents and are living with them and are with their grandchildren. Here today, I once again thank everybody for making our day great on behalf of all the parents present here. I end with the famous saying of Shakespeare, my words fly up, thoughts remain below, words without thoughts never to heaven go. Thank you.